Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all well and you're all keeping safe. So in today's video I am going to be organising my cupboards. I'm going to be doing underneath my sink, which is just here. It's such a tiny little cupboard that there's hardly any storage space in there whatsoever, but we're going to try and make it work today because I've bought quite a bit of storage stuff. Also I've got a cupboard down here and it's got lots of tin stuff, my baking stuff, things like that you need, like your essential things that you need that you pick out every single day. So I want to get those organised as well. So recently I've been doing some hauls on my channel where I picked up loads of storage bits, loads of organisation bits, and I've got them all laid out on the side over here. So I'm going to start off this video by showing you all the organisation bits, all the storage bits that I've got. I've also got some labels there as well. So I'm going to start by showing you all that stuff and then we're going to get into organising my cupboards. But before we do, please, if you like this video at any point, please smash that thumbs up button for me. It helps me out so much. Also, if you're not subscribed, I would love you to come and join the family here by hitting that little red button down below and hitting the bell because that will notify you when I next upload. So without further ado, let's get on with it. So this is what I meant about shopping for organisation and storage bits. So I'm going to start off in this end here. These boxes I got from the pound shop. If you have a look, they're actually quite deep. They're really good boxes and they were only £1 each. So I've got these in white, but they also do them in grey as well, which I've got upstairs in my cupboard. The only thing I will say about these boxes, they are quite flimsy, so you do have to be careful with them that they don't split or crack. But yeah, I've got two of those and I'm going to be using these for underneath this sink. Then I picked up these also from the pound shop. I'm pretty sure these were £2 each. So the reason for picking up these is because I want to put tins of beans, spaghetti, things like that on them. Just so when I go in the cupboard, I can actually see what's in the cupboard rather than trying to look behind the tins. And I've actually got quite a few tins, so you'll see that in a little while. And like I said, they were £2 each, which is so good, honestly. That is so inexpensive. Moving on to this side, I have got these mason jars. I think that's what they're called. They're just called glass jars with cup lid. Yeah, so I picked up these mason jars. I've got two of these. They're £1 each. I'm not even sure what I'm going to put in them yet. I'm going to improvise and see what I can put in them. But yeah, I've got two of those. I really love this copper effect on the top. Just goes with everything in my kitchen, really. Then I picked up two of the bigger ones, which are £1.99 a year. Yeah, £1.99 each. These ones I want to use for flour. And like caster sugar and things like that for my baking. So these ones are going to use for that. Then I've got this one here, which was £3, and if I step back you can see how long it is compared to the jars, but it's a really long one. So this one I'm going to be using for spaghetti. I couldn't get the lid colour that I wanted, but it's fine, it's going to be in the cupboard anyway. And then I've just got these two little boxes that I picked up from B&M. Excuse the kitchen roll. Just got these two boxes that I picked up from B&M. They're only little boxes. I was going to use these for my makeup boxes upstairs, but they're too deep to go in my drawer. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can find some uses for them downstairs in the cupboard. And these boxes were £2 each. And I picked up these. These are just little labels that I picked up in the pound shop. I have actually used some of these for my fridge organisation. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to label them because you'll see. I'll show you one anyway, like this spaghetti one. I'll show you on this canister here. But they don't show up very well, so I might have to go back and get the black ones because they did have black ones. I think they also had pink as well, so I might even go back and get the pink ones. And if you look, it says tea, coffee, sugar, cereal, flour, pasta, rice, spaghetti, and it's just got all these different labels on it. These are actually double-sided, so you've got these ones as well. These ones would be really good for the tubs because obviously they're going to stand out because they're on white. So I'm going to use these ones today, definitely. Ones like the sponges, cloths, washing, cleaning. These ones are just individual letters, so you can spell things out if they're not on these sheets. And they just got this fancy lettering. And these are double-sided, so you get that side and then this side are the really big letters. So yeah, that is all the organisation stuff, all the storage bits that I picked up. So I'm going to get on to doing my under sink cupboard. And the first thing I'm going to do is take everything out. If I come and show you. So this is what my cupboard is looking like right now. It's not exactly too bad, but it just, to me, looks like an organised mess. And sometimes when I'm trying to take things out, everything just falls out on top of me. And yeah, just had enough now. So I just want to get it really, really organised. So I'm going to start off by taking everything out of the cupboard. I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse while I do this, and then I'll get back to you when it's all done.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you. Watch all night, 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 watch all night.
So I've actually underestimated how big these tubs were, and they don't fit in the cupboards properly, which I'm quite sad about because I really wanted it organised. I wanted it to, because they were so deep, I knew that I could put like the spray bottles and stuff like that in there, but at the minute they're just too big for this cupboard. This cupboard is tiny, but I can still use one of the boxes, and then I'm going to be using these small ones here, perhaps just to put like my wash stuff in, bits like that. Yeah, so I'm going to be using these two boxes, and also I still have these baskets which were in the cupboard anyway, so I'm going to be using these ones as well. So still got loads of storage stuff, not worried about it, sort of. But I'm going to get on with it, put you guys on a time lapse, and I'll talk you guys through it when I am done.
We were undiscovered, didn't care for one another, you and I. Thought I was okay, till something in me changed, don't know why. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. Be feeling same as the beginning. Waste of time, waste of time. Somehow you intruded, lost in your illusions. I was fine, I was fine.
Cupboard is done. It took me next to no time whatsoever. I've got lots of bits that I need to put in the bin and stuff like that, but for the most of it, this cupboard is done. So I've got all my cleaning bits in here that I use every single day. These are the little labels. I think they look really nice actually. I really like the way they look. These are the little boxes. That's wonky. I didn't realise until now, but that's wonky, so I'm going to do that one again. This has just got all my washing stuff in, and a few sprays and stuff. But obviously when I buy some more stuff, I can sort of take those sprays out and put some more washing bits in. At the minute I've got no Lenore or anything like that, so I'm going to go out and buy some of that soon, and that can go in there. The big sprays and stuff like that I put all at the back because they are so hard to put in this cupboard because they're so tall. And then I've obviously got the washing up bowl at the bottom. It's really hard to get them in this cupboard, and they don't fit at the bottom of the cupboard, so If I just try and squish them at the back, then they're fine, but they're going to be so much easier to get to now. All I have to do is move one of these out of the way and then just reach back and get one of those. But for the main bit, it's all at the front, all the stuff that I use every single day. In this one down here, I've got cloths, I've got wipes, floor wipes, I've got dusters, all bits like that in there. I'm going to go out and buy some more of these because I think they look really, really nice. They look really tidy, really neat and really classy. Don't like this basket. So yeah, I'm going to buy another one of these and then put all my cloths and stuff in there. And I've actually got a label that says cloths on it, so I'm going to use that as well. But yeah, this is my cupboard. I'm really, really happy with that. And honestly, I think it took me, what, 15-20 minutes to sort it all out, and I'm really happy. There was so much stuff in here that had either all gone or I just really didn't use anymore, so it just left so much more space. So it just shows, clean up those cupboards, guys, because there's stuff in there that you don't need and you're going to have more space. So I'm going to be doing the next cupboard now. I'm going to show you inside the cupboard. So there's a lot of tin stuff in here, so hopefully you're going to get this cupboard sorted out today. But I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see just what a mess it is in there and why I need this organised. This is inside my cupboard. As you can see, there is so much clutter. It's just so hard to know what's in there. I've actually got a plastic container at the back here. It's quite a big one. It's got all the tins in. I was trying to be organised at one point. It's got all the tins in, but I literally cannot see what tins are what, and I have to literally pick up every single tin before I find out what it is. So yeah, hopefully those little step things that I bought, hopefully that's going to help that situation. But I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse. I'm going to take everything out, start with a clean canvas, then I'm going to give this cupboard a massive clean. And if you have a look, this cupboard actually goes quite far back. Can you see? It actually goes quite far back. It's actually quite a big cupboard. I can fit quite a lot of stuff in there, but yeah. So I'm going to take everything out of here and just start with a clean canvas. So let's put you on a time lapse. I've completely cleaned out that cupboard now. It looks so clean. I don't think I've seen the cupboard that clean in so long. It looks so nice. I've noticed that I've got so many tins of the same stuff. So what I might do is use the tub that was going to go in that under sink cupboard, put all the spare tins in that cupboard, and then the rest of the tins that I've got put out on my shelves, because then that way I haven't got double of everything and it won't be so cluttered. I'm going to show you how the cupboard's looking right now. Like I said, I'm so happy with it. But yeah, I just can't wait to get all this stuff put away now, because my kitchen just looks such a mess and so cluttered at the minute with loads and loads of stuff out. But yeah, so I'm going to get going, start putting some of those tins away, and then see where to go from there. Turn the camera around, show you where I'm at. This is basically how it's looking at the minute. I've got loads and loads of tins down here. That box here is the one I'm talking about. I'm going to use that box for the spare tins. And then I've just got everything on the side. I mean, oh my God, I've got my work cut out for me. I need to get on with this, guys, because this just makes my kitchen look so cluttered and it's just giving me anxiety right now. So I'm going to get straight into this. So this is how the cupboard's looking. How clean does that look? So clean, so nice. That is so satisfying when it's clean like that.
If you've 'Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid, just follow me. You don't need no space, just follow me. Like a mirror you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go?
So I've done all the tins. I literally cannot believe how much stuff I fit in this cupboard now and how much room I still have. This is just unbelievable. Honestly, I cannot recommend these little steps enough. They're such a good idea. £2 each from Poundland. I mean, say no more. But I've managed to get all my, so I've got like my sauces all in the back. So I've got all these sauces. Yes, I am one of these lazy people that use sauce instead of making my own. It's just so much easier. And then I've got all the tins on the second shelf and the last shelf. And just looking in the cupboard, I can see exactly what's in there. All I have to do is just go in, pick out what I need and not have to faff around in the back of the cupboard trying to look at every single tin to see what it is. I can literally see what's in there now, and I managed to get both little steps on the same shelf, so I'm really happy about that. This one at the bottom, I've just put all the spares, all the doubles, the stuff that I've already got up here, I've put in here. So when I've used these, I just have to take one out of here and put it back up here, so I'm completely stocked up. And the next bit I want to do is all my baking stuff, so looking forward to that because I can use all my jars.
If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid, just follow me. You don't need no space, just follow me. Like a mirror you reflect me. Like a Friday night.
Like that, we are all done. How nice does this look? I'm so happy with it. It looks so much better than I imagined. Obviously those blue boxes at the back there, I want to change them up to white. I think they will look so much better. Look how much room I have. I just can't believe it. There's still loads and loads of space here at the front, and then I've got all that at the back. It just looks so tidy. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. I love the way these little jars look. They're so easy to just grab now, just take out whatever I need. I absolutely love it. I love the way it looks. I love the way it came out. I need to get some labels because those labels don't stand out very much on clear glass. So I really hope this video was helpful today. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have got any storage tips or any organisation tips, because I've literally got so many ideas now of what I want to do to the rest of the house. I just want to get everything organised, looking clean, looking tidy. You know, if you've got any ideas, put them in the comments down below for me. Also, let me know in the comments down below on any other videos you would like to see. Please show me some love by liking my video today. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all for another video very soon. Take care, guys. Bye. Mwah.